Hi there, I'm stood at the Samoeng junction at the Canal Road and the 1269 here in Chiang Mai, Hangdong. This video is purely for local people that are interested in this junction's progress. We're over halfway through the time period that this construction is meant to take. Well, I hope you found this update of the Samoeng and Canal Road useful. Today is the 7th of August and hopefully in 2 months' time this will be complete. I'll be doing another update video in around about a month, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do. Leave me a comment below. If you're local to this area, you'll know all about this place, but for others, check the description. You'll see a location and a bit more detail about the project that's going on here. See you next time. Stay well, stay safe. Bye-bye.